Hello, what's on all minimal editing. I'd been on YouTube on this channel now for about 8 years, and in total for around about 14, 15 years. And I just wanted to share a few things with you. YouTube is not as easy as everybody thinks that it can be, but it can also be life-changing and brilliant. I've been working for myself now for about 15, 18 years. Before that, it was web development. The wild, wild west of the YouTube world had only just really started. People didn't even know what video was doing, and internet connections were horrific. Scroll forward to today, and I make my living off of YouTube or associated with YouTube. I've got clients that I've helped reach their silver play buttons or further or more. I create content on my own YouTube channel here. I funnel people through to affiliate links and that kind of thing. But I just wanted to share with you one-on-one today that don't worry. If you're struggling right now, perfectly understandable. I've said this from day one. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Yes, there are some YouTubers that upload their first video, go viral, make loads and loads of money, but the faster they rise, the quicker they fall. Do any of you remember Janelle Iliana? You know, the van life snake girl who published 3 or 4 videos, got 2 million subscribers overnight, and then just stopped posting. All of the big boys that get millions and millions of subscribers and then they just fall off. Even PewDiePie. Now, I'm not saying his channel's dead. It's not. He'll always make a fuck ton of money each and every month off of residuals and any time he uploads. But there's a level when you just stop. Don't worry, that's not what this video happens to be. I'm just saying that slow growth actually helps you. Slow growth helps you build the processes around your YouTube channel. I'm so glad that it's taken this long to get where I am now, because I've learned the value of money. I've learned the value of affiliate incomes. I understand editing, client management, outreach, networking, everything that I need to have. So I just want to take a moment to basically say, you don't need to rush things. Take your time and you'll get there. As long as you know what your North Star happens to be, North Star, right, then you can aim for it. Also, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg. This video right here is being currently recorded on an iPhone attached to a little tripod that I vlogged with when I got it from vidIQ. I went to VidCon 2-3 years back. It's 2024 now, Alan. 5 years back. So you don't have to spend an arm and a leg. All you need to do is create the content, communicate with your audience, and they will come along with you. Sometimes it's these kind of messages that just get buried in the YouTube feed because it's too bombastic out there. It's too clickbaity out there. So if this has touched a chord somewhere in your heart, please hit like, hit subscribe. Tell me what your channel's about. You know, that's what the comment section's there for below. Tell me what your channel's about. Ask me any questions, chat with each other, and we can help each other find that North Star and keep creating content for many, many years to come. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Boop. Ooh, always wanted to do that. Does it work?